wanted to send bulk WhatsApp messages to all these contacts whose data I have in Google Sheet. But not only a single message, I wanted to send this message with an image attachment like this to all these customers with their personalized name as well. So now here, manually sending this type of message in bulk to each and every contact manually is very time consuming task. In that case, I got to know about an amazing WhatsApp broadcast technique that allows you to send bulk WhatsApp messages to your bulk contacts in just one click with an attachment as well. Sounds magical, right? So now here in this tutorial, we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this WhatsApp broadcast for sending bulk WhatsApp messages with an attachment to your contacts using an all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow. So here, to begin with the process, you need to search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can see two options. One is sign in and another is sign up for free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and try Pabbly Chatflow for free today. And if you're an existing user like me, then simply sign in. Also, if you want a demo for Pabbly Chatflow, then you can request the same by selecting this demo option available over here. Alright, so now here, if you're a new user, you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. You just need to type ROMYT in the coupon section and you are going to get an exclusive discount. For your reference, I've attached this coupon code in the left side corner of this video so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. Okay, so now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on the Access Now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. So here you can see I've already connected my WhatsApp number inside my Chatflow account. So to learn how to connect yours, you can watch out the tutorial available on our YouTube channel or in the description box below. Not only this, let me tell you that it offers some amazing features that are available over here. So if you wish to learn about any of the feature in detail, then you can watch out the videos dedicated to each of the feature available on our YouTube channel or in the description box below. Okay, so now here, as you know, that we are going to learn how you can set up a WhatsApp broadcast for your business. But before moving forward to the broadcast technique, let me tell you that I have created a WhatsApp template using which I'm going to send the bulk WhatsApp messages. But if you don't want to create a template and wish to send a regular type of message, then you can send that too. But to learn about that process, you need to stay with me till the end of this tutorial. Okay, so let me show you the template that I've already created inside my Pabbly Chatflow account first. So this is the template that I've created, and here you can see a message that I've drafted, also an image that I've already attached over here in this template. And you can see my template is approved by Meta. That means I can use this template to send the bulk WhatsApp messages. To learn how you can create your template as per your requirement, you can watch out the tutorial available on our YouTube channel or in the description box below. Okay, so once the template is created, let's move forward to the broadcast section. And under broadcast, you can see the total number of broadcasts, number of live, sent and scheduled broadcast. To create a new one, click on this add button and it has directed us to a WhatsApp broadcast window. From here, firstly, you need to select the broadcast type as broadcast campaign, and for the broadcast name, I'm going to give the name as message with attachment. Okay, so this is a random name. Then comes the contact list. So I need to select the contact list to whom I want to send this WhatsApp message. But as I've already mentioned that I'm going to send this WhatsApp messages to all these contacts whose data I have in Google Sheet. So now in order to send the WhatsApp messages to these contacts, I need to add them inside my Pabbly Chatflow account first. And for that, I'm going to access contact section available over here. Now under this contact section in the left side, you can have a preview of contact list that I already have, and to create a new one, click on this add contact button. If you want to add a single contact, add the details over here, or to add in bulk, select this option. Here you need to upload a CSV file, and as you know that I have data in Google Sheets format, that means I need to download this data in a CSV format first. Once you have a CSV file formatted data, then you can upload that particular file over here, click on this add contact button, and your bulk contact contacts will be added inside Pabbly Chatflow account. Also, you can create a separate contact list for the same. For now, I'm going to use an existing list that I already have. So let me select that. You can select multiple lists as well. For now, I've selected a single one. Then comes refine audience option. So basically here you can exclude the contact list to whom you don't want to send this WhatsApp message, or you can also exclude some specific contacts from the selected list over here. And it also offers to exclude the contacts in an active 24-hour conversation window. That means if any customer or any user is having a active conversation with you within 24 hours, then you can exclude those contacts as well. Then here it is asking us to select the message type. So here, as I already told you, that I'm going to use a pre-approved template message, but if you want to send a regular type of message, select this option, select the message type from the drop down, enter your message over here, and here you can have a preview of your message. For now, I'm going to use a pre-approved template message. So this is that template, and here it is asking us to add the body field name. So basically I have used a variable in the place of name because variables makes our text dynamic and you can add multiple variables in your draft. So I wanted to send personalized WhatsApp message to each and every customer, so that's why I've used a variable in the place of name. So now here, to make this field permanently dynamic, what we are going to do is that we are going to access contact custom fields from these settings. Under contact custom fields, you can see 4 global fields that are name, mobile number, last name and the first name. You can add more as per your variables. For now, I'm going to copy the field name for name and I'm going to add it over here. Then here it is asking me to upload the media that I want to send. So this is the media and I'm going to insert this image. You can see this is a complete message. I'm going to click on this done button and you can see our template has been selected over here. Then here it is asking me to test my broadcast message. That means before sending it to the wider audience, I can send it on my WhatsApp number to see how it is going to be sent to my customers. So for that, I'm going to add my own username over here first. And for the phone number, I'm going to add my number. Then we are going to click on the send test broadcast message. It says test broadcast sent. So let's go and check our WhatsApp. And you can see a new message has been received over here with the same image, same content and my personalized name, that is Hey Roma. So with this, we have successfully tested our broadcast as well. Then here it is asking us to schedule our broadcast. If you want to send instant WhatsApp messages, select no, or to schedule it for the later, select yes. Then here you need to select a particular date and time for sending this message. Here make sure you are selecting a future date and time, because if you have selected past date and time, then it is going to send instant message to all your contacts. Then click on this add broadcast button and you can see a new broadcast has been scheduled over here. Once the broadcast is sent, you can view the stats for the same, where you have the data for sent, delivered, read, pending, ignored and failed. Also, you can resend the WhatsApp message to all your valid failed contacts by selecting this resend option available over here. Alright, so these were the very simple steps to how to send bulk WhatsApp messages with attachments. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then do use my special discount code, which is ROMYT. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Not only this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots with Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any pricing plan related issue, then you can visit us on this link. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. And for your reference, we have attached these links in the description box as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.